Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the headset down and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts and keeps small parts from moving. Once done, peel each ear cup cushion straight off. There are tabs, so pull evenly to avoid tearing. Make sure to check under the cushion for 4 small screws, remove them with a Phillips #0 screwdriver, and keep them in a labeled container. This exposes the headband pivot and the inner frame so you can access the main retaining pins and the cable routing without forcing any plastic. You now work on the headband connection. This is the complex middle step because clips and cable routing both matter. First, separate the ear cup housing just enough to see the pivot pins and the 2 plastic retainers. Don't yank. Next, use a thin spudger to depress the small clip while pulling the headband strap away. This releases the headband from the pivot. Make sure to guide any internal audio cable through the slot as you remove the band, so the cable does not snag or stretch. You're finishing the job. Route the audio cable through the replacement headband slot first, because it's far easier than threading it after assembly. Once routed, align the headband with the pivot and press until the retaining clips snap. This ensures correct seating and prevents lateral play. Then reinstall screws under the cushions, press cushions back on, and power up to test. If you hear static or the band feels loose, recheck the cable routing and clip seating. Often a misaligned clip causes
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.